Using clear plastic boxes like the ones that you see shown here, I have to say that has been one of my most efficient ways to store dry food. I store all my dry bulk food in here, and this is something that has worked for me throughout the years. These clear plastic boxes can easily fit inside of your kitchen drawers, and you could easily see what's inside of them, and you can have easy access to all of your dry food. Another way that you could store your clear plastic boxes is inside of a kitchen cabinet, as I'm doing it here. And the good thing is that you can stock one box on top of the other, and you could easily see everything that you have. Another one of my favorite storage tips, and this one is completely free, you don't have to pay any money for this, is recycling old glass jars. In these glass jars you can store nuts and seeds like you see that I have done here, and you can also store dried fruits. You can easily store your old recycled glass jars inside of a kitchen cabinet and use a 2x4 piece of wood to do some elevation, and this way you could easily see what's on the back and what's on the front. In here I have a large kitchen drawer, and on the sides I am putting little labels that I made with my computer, and in here I will be storing my chicken bouillon, my beef bouillon, and my vegetable bouillon. Next I will be storing all of my cooking spices. And since this is a large drawer, I have some space to put my cooking utensils. If you do not have a large drawer to store all of your cooking spices, then you can store them on a smaller drawer like the one that I'm showing you here. I love this type of plate organizers because there's so many ways that you could use them to store your plates or to store other kitchen items. In here is a good example of how you could use this plate organizer to store all of your plates inside of a kitchen cabinet. If you have no kitchen cabinets or you have no storage space inside of your cabinets, then you can use this plate organizer on top of your kitchen counters, and you could store your plates like I'm showing you here. Another way that I have used this plate organizer is that I have created a mini drawer system. In this little drawer system that I'm creating here, I'm using baskets. And as you could see, I'm putting the baskets inside of the plate organizer, and now it becomes a mini drawer system to store small items. I have used this mini drawer system inside of a small kitchen cabinet that I have pantry items. As you could see here, everything is neatly organized and in place. Another way that I have used this plate organizer is to store my frying pans and my lids, and this has worked very good for me because it has saved me a lot of space inside of my cabinets. Another smart way of using this plate organizer is to flip it, as you see that I am doing here, and then you can easily store all of your baking trays. In here I have another plate organizer. This one is different than the other one, but I love this one because it saves me a lot of space inside of my small and narrow kitchen cabinet. Again, if you have no kitchen cabinets or you have little to no space, you can use this plate organizer on top of your kitchen counters and store your glasses like I'm showing you here. Another one of my old-time favorite organizers is the scob organizer. This one is for sale at IKEA and it's in the closet section. But I use it in my kitchen, as you see here, and it saves me a lot of space inside of my kitchen drawers to store small plates and small cups. What I'm showing you here is the Barriera organizer. It's sold at IKEA to store all of your pot and pans lids. Now I have used this, as you could see here, to hold all of my frying pans, and it's also excellent to store all of your baking trays or your cooking trays. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to give us a like and to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one. You're free to share this video with your family and your friends, and thanks for watching.